Brooksy and the team, you know. And them place a Brooksy used to work back in the days when me youth them a kid. And we used to have a out here in the sun of days. Because you the work when we used to do a gas station. A landscaping, you know. And you know landscaping out in the field yeah, for the daytime. And I like say you're you're the pump or you're not pump attendants or you know nothing like that. You have to out in the hot sun at daytime all out of them place here. So I clean up the place and I rake up and something. And if the land fi cut, me cut it and keep it clean, keep the grass them low. But the place really develop and look nice now, man. Down here, so take time and grow, you know. When me find out with Bombrook a take time turn one nether town, you know. Yeah, Bombrook a turn one next town, you know. I me kind of notice, say, yeah, after a while in a Port Antonio, we're going to have like uptown and downtown. Yeah, because if a man notice now, you know, this is Brian's Bay, you know. When enough people never remember back in the days, Brian's Bay was a place like where people carry all this stuff go dump. Yeah, them call over there, so which part with you see the courthouse is up there, so that the courthouse you look pan up there, so. See big courthouse there, that's stone building at the courthouse that for the town. So you just imagine if the courthouse down here, so this is a part of the town. Because your courthouse are generally in your town area, you know. Right. So if you find say the courthouse this side and now, the town are come down because look a water commission this the right over here. So now yeah, over here so you compare your water commission bill, then you have the next big plaza there so. And one other plaza there beside which part you have juicy beef patties up there so. And then JPS they up little further and then one other plaza they up there so again we then call it Bay Shore Plaza they up there so again. So you find say down at Brian's Bay, down Bombrook, Brian's Bay, first and last, and them place here. Them place here are developed fast because look, couple years when we was a little youth going to all Norwich school and you pass them place here so like in the evening hours, like now, I be a cow you see tired them place here so all over which you see gas station is there right now and over with them building there. A cow people raise over there so then call over the Bolo. Then used to call over here so Bolo. And my mother used to come with them basin and them piece of stick in the morning and go work over Bolo, you know. And the work where them go do over Bolo, that type of work they will then do are just some kind of work where then just go scrape up and do something, pick up its stuff in them basin and carry go through one place and try to scatter it in the swamp. Because over here so was be a swamp. Be a wild cane and wild ginger grow up over there so. So you see a lot of improvement come to Portland little by little. A lot of improvement. Because who can remember in the 70s how round a Brian's Bay did look? I can remember some people when name like all Busquine and them man they, and some people used to raise cow. A cow, me know them man they used to raise round and some more man. I can't quite remember their name right now. But them people are cow and raise at them place, all of them place where you see them building and make now to the day right now. And more building to make. A cow pastors used to be cow pastors, so the place a development. The town a take time a grow, Port Antonio a develop. If you notice, you know, uptown, you go have uptown and then down a Bombrook, downtown. Because sooner and later, right now you don't have to go uptown if you don't want.
No, we will live at Bombrook.
We don't have to go uptown.
We
because we have ATM machine, we have bank over there, so we have everything down a Bombrook now. And must you say you have something exactly where you say, me I go up a Kamal, go buy something. I make you that one go uptown. But everything that Bombrook. Everything they are Bombrook. More than 3 supermarkets they are Bombrook right now. More than 3. When me can count for me hand, me know about 3 down a Bombrook right now. Where you can just walk in and pick up anything where you want. That's what me I say. Meat everything. You have meat shop a Bombrook. And meat shop out of Mr. Hilton there so right now, you know. Yeah, you have ice cream. You have everything there right now. When you go over the plaza again, over there so, everything depend that the one complex there so again same way. So we don't really have to worry about nothing. Say first if you run go uptown for every situation again. Exactly. But me not have to come uptown. Everything there Bombrook, everything there downtown, you know. So you can't just walk up on the front, get where you get and go back in your hole like crab. You don't have to go uptown, you don't have to go far. Everything coming here and reach right now. Easy access to it more time. So you find say the place a grow. It a grow to where some people didn't know Portland and Port Antonio, Bombrook and them place there. It a grow. You can see it. You can see the development a go on, you know. a lot of development that come to a parish, but you have people, you know, no care what happen, you know, them never satisfy, you know. You have a lot of people who can't satisfy with no care what them get, you know, and no care where you give them, you know, they never feel comfortable, you know, and they not satisfied with nothing. So then thing there, you just understand and know, say, you can't please everybody. Because look, if you carry one side of the party and me carry the other side, there should be no problem, you know. We shouldn't have no problem. Because if my leader do good, you should have can see as much as enough for your leader, you're supposed to can see. What me I say now, if you find say me support one party and you support one, what make if your boss or your leader do the right thing, me no succeed say it right, what am I do? Become a bias. No, but yeah. But what I'm saying, you see, it no make sense. You stifle your conscience, cause that's how enough we do. Yeah. You know, because look, you know, everybody need good. Everybody want better. And we living in our country, and if you find say this man here or this woman or these set of people here carrying the country in the right direction, what make you not give him ratings and give him prop? Eh? Not because you don't support this party, but at least right now, you know. Exactly. That I'm saying. Cause look, no care when, you know, if the person are done good, you just have to accept it. Accept, say, yeah, man, he might do good, man. But you go stifle it. Exactly. And you not tell him, say, yeah, man, me love what you are do, man, and you are do good. Eh? Tell me, say, me I do good. Make me feel, say, me I do good. And all when me know, say, me I do good, you know. You just not want to say it.
They find it hard.
Yeah, you find it hard to say, boy, what a way Bombrook develop nice. What a way the road down a Brands Bay fix up and look good. Eh? Say it now. Say it, man. Say it. Can you see it?
And say the road. They say fix the road and the bumpy see.
Alright.
But them say look how long that fix.
Look how long it take them to fix.
No, you go come with something.
Find something negative.
If you put against the positive, man, you have to come with something negative. All when you fix, and you see say yes, that piece of stretch road they look good now and it's nice. Everybody can walk and feel good.
Next week waterfall mash up at that them also.
Yeah, then say then fix road and look go around the bumpy and boomy. You can't drive good panny. It's still fixed. It's better than how we did stay. Alright, remember, you know, you get two something, you know, you never have none, you know, but you get two, and you know, accept the two where you get. Tell yourself, say you're thankful for it, no? Thankful for you two where you get, no? Yeah. So all when it never fixed two we suit, but it better how we did stay. And that you have to tell we sell.
In 100,
but
we did the 0.
We can work with it.
Get 150 and
Remember, you did the 0, you know, you get 50, but you still a complain. Alright, that me a talk about. Then thing that me a talk about. Why people can't give people them credit when it is due. You remember, man, give the pan him credit, man. Give him ratings, man. Tell yourself, say, well, yeah. You can't take again, man. Remember, me tell you, too much, you know. Too much. Yeah, because you see, you just don't want to clear your conscience and to come up fear and talk and say, well, yes, this done in a due time and it look good now. Look, the other day, we are suffer for road in our community. Over the years, we always suffer for road in our community. Me not talk of nobody else community. Me talk of mine. And we've been suffering for good road all the years. Sometimes they fix part, sometimes when they fix one other part, then left part, then fix part, then left part. The other day, I see them come through and then fix the road and it looks so pleasant and clean and nice. Remember, you know, any party in, you know, them are going to do what they have to do, you know. And if the road fixed now and be that man in me or somebody I say, And this is the road where they say they fix. Look how Yasso stay. Then tell me something now. If that little part of Yasso no match with this, so we don't have a problem. You know better how we did stay? Eh? Me have to turn around and look on somebody good, you know, me never answer, you know, me just look because the reason for say that, you know, because he see me, you know. He might go say, and this is the road where they say they fix, then they'll go Yasso turn. That mean he might have to say, you know, fix good. He better how we did stay. He better how we did stay. He much better than how we... Alright. He better how we stay. Cause look, we did that drop in a hole. Car did that if you take it time, go down in there so when them come. Eh? Alright. Come out apart and walk. Because the taxi man them must tell themselves so they not go no further car around there, so too bad. And now that's it fix. People still say, oh yes, so stay so. Eh? Remember me tell you God. You can't and look, you know, remember, you know, as Shanine said, you know, remember say car never did that carry you off your gate, you know, cause to the bad condition of the road around there, so you know. Taxi man stop way down the road, you know, and say they're not gonna further, you know. And you have to finish work, you know. And now them a carry you right to your gate, but you still have problem. I say something wrong with this, so this not stay good. And this is the road where they say they fix. Why you not fix it? Buy 2 bags of cement and catch up this, you know. Eh, cause remember, you know, no member of parliament no walk on our road, you know. You never notice it? Eh? You never remember if you never see no member of parliament walk in our community unless at election time. Exactly. So the road is ours. The road is not for government, you know. You say, alright. Me see people have them gateway. And you come from up at your home. You reach down in the government road now, because we say a government road. But a freeway road, no people don't know say our road, but then say a government. So give government the road them then. Alright. Government have to take the road them. When you come down in a government road, right to your gate here, so 10 buckle there, so 10 boxes, bush I saw, right to your gate. And you no move none, you no chop away nothing, because you tell yourself, say, a government road. Eh? You're terrible. Eh? You're worthless if you tell yourself that, because look, the government don't live here, so no member of parliament no live which part we live in our communities. So how the road fi become for government road? The road couldn't be for government, you know. Eh? So if you clean most community right now, house a touch pan house, so see how close the fence is them, you know. You live here, me live here. So your gate there, so my gate there here, so. So if you clean your little gate to your fence line, there, so I'm cleaning my gate to my fence line there, so. You know, so we clean 3 chain of the road. Then if the next 2 person out there so do the same thing, you know, so we clean 8 chain of road. So who for road? Our road, a freeway gate. Everybody clean and gate, you see the whole community look good. So you have to tell yourself, so me not chop go down further out there, so a government road. Eh? Government no walk out there, government not see that mess there in front of home. Eh? When you open your gate and stand on your veranda and look down at the roadside, and your gate that. And you see one heap of bush, you can't see nothing. How much box food box, how much soda buckle and them the right as me come out of my yard me at them me face. And if you take the rake and rake them up and burn them or take them put in a one garbage bag and tie it up properly, you tell yourself you not do nothing on government road, a government road. But you know look and see say alright, you actually in your yard with you. Are your environment man? Eh? Look where the government live. Most member of parliament no live no way where for them environment stay like our own. No way where them live for them environment is not like our own. So why we can't keep our environment better than how we are keeping it? Eh? How we do this enough time, how we do something to ourselves, and when we done, we put the blame on government. Or you fi blame government for do something. Remember, you know, if we do what we supposed to do, you know, the government have less, you know, to do, you know. If all we do what we supposed to do, if the whole we do what we supposed to do, you know, government have less work to do, you know. And we don't have any problem. So long. No.
That's what people say.
A stupid people them they say that something there. Them where they get that teachment from say the countries for government. Eh? The countries for the whole of us, all of us living in this country here, our country.
Just like me.
Exactly. And where most people how they talk, me consider sometimes if they know what the meaning of government. I want somebody them call government, you know.
Prime Minister.
You, You didn't,
Andrew
you,
alone will Jamaica.
you didn't notice it?
Yeah.
Andrew, will up Jamaica.
I want somebody, most people call,
We are all up.
I just want somebody then say the government, you know. I just one individual then
People
tell
that-
themselves say
and
the
know their
government,
rights,
you know.
they
That's
don't know-
right.
they know their rights.
And that's why we behave in a certain manner.
Because we so done sign
We
it
behave in a
already.
certain manner because that's why I have to say this. If we didn't have any sense any at all and know what government really means, we wouldn't tell ourselves say a government road. Because we don't have no sense, make we say that, you know. Because we don't know what government mean, make we tell ourselves say a government road, you know.
Without
Eh?
we the people of the country, there is no government.
Exactly. Without without the nation, you can't have a government.
Who them a go govern?
Who then going to govern? Who
them a go respond?
who we elect them to work for?
See right now them afraid because they say birth rate a go down. They know say if birth rate a go down and people continue to migrate, so sooner or later they don't need it.
Exactly. So
It not gonna happen, you know.
yeah,
'cause
with
you know,
just
say
word
country can't just
speaking.
empty
Yeah,
stuff
just
out.
yeah.
They don't want to reach one stage
Stage
they
where-
can say they don't want 60 minutes then or they don't want
Yeah,
30 minutes
yeah.
because you don't have
The
value of
nation,
people,
the
so you have
nation
to-
not so wide.
So
Yeah.
them a tell us say if you go breed.
Right. We need more people in the population. But so, where we look on things, the negative way and we look on the upside it down. Because we always try to push our things to pan the government. The government not own nothing, and we who own everything. Everything belongs to ours.
Notice when them a fix road, you know. If
Ah.
your yard there roadside and you have one wall.
You notice what
And
they do
if
to
you
it?
even don't have one wall
Yeah,
and then come
and
close to
fine
your
say,
house
yeah,
and run
them a
road
damage
near
your
to
land
your
any
property,
farm away.
what you think them do?
Them put a retaining wall
and
there
them pay you
and
for
pay
it.
your feet.
But no people
If them
don't
have to
want
cut
that.
down one of your tree, if you never even
Anything
used to
them have to
bear,
do to your
all
land,
when the tree never
you
did
have
a
to
bear
get
nothing,
compensation
if them did
for
have to
it.
move it, then move it and pay your
You
fee.
have to get paid for
Yeah.
it.
So some people I say government this and government that, and not enjoy the government. Are the old 63 member of parliament and them
And
come
other
to-
bodies.
and other bodies in other countries, other
And not
entities,
just-
other
and not just
people.
member of
No.
parliament alone, you have other bodies
Other
that make
bodies,
up it.
other thing will come in and play for them
Paris
role.
Council,
All of
all
them
of them
places, they are
places,
government
yeah,
people,
all
them
of
there.
them, they are
Yeah,
government.
everybody come together, becomes government. And that them there you to do to govern the country and see to it run in the right direction. So some people are telling themselves, say, a one person a government. It's not one somebody a government. So you put the blame on one person all the time when any little thing should have happened. Everybody just point finger upon one
big
individual.
news man.
Yeah, everybody just point finger upon one individual. I know him alone are the problem. We are the problem in our country. And most of the time about things will happen in this country here, and we is the cause of it. We is the problem to make it happen like that. And we push around with finger and say, a government this and government that. So sometimes we have to fence up ourselves too. Sometimes I just step in your own a mess. Yeah, because then say the man will mess in the road, no man buy it, you know. And the man will step in it. So we have to be careful. People, enough respect. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Brooksy and family up and running every time.